Hey, you guys want to know what's awesome? Going to the beach, of course. But you know what's even better? Is when your Filipino mom joins you. Oh, yeah! So good, so good. Dan's Vlogs. What you making, Mom?
Chocolate rice. This is like a soup.
Oh, yeah. What you cooking now, Mom?
Chicken adobo. And that one is pineapple chicken.
Awesome. And of course some white rice, right?
That is artwork at its finest, my friend.
Woo! What you making now, Mom?
Fried rice.
That's right, buddy.
Tonight.
Mmm. So good.
There we go. We're ready.
And there's the finished product. Nice work, Mom. Now what you cooking, Mom? Oh, buddy. Oh, my.
See how the...
Today we feast, huh? Oh, my. Oh, my. Coochie, coochie, coo. They pinch? Huh? I'm sure they do. Jimmy, put your finger in there once. Oh, yeah.
Those things will not let go.
They hurt, Mom.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They will pinch it.
Yeah, he's got it good.
Catch hold one? I mean, not catch hold.
Hey, Mom, what are you cooking now?
This is the shrimp. And this is the salad.
Oh, my heavens.
I just got that.
Wait, where's the crab?
There's the crabs.
It looks pretty good.
Oh, my. Mom, I know you don't hear it very often, but we love you and so much appreciate you. You are an amazing soul and an amazing cook. Thank you.